Benjamin Franklin said the only things certain in life are death and taxes. Perhaps we should add another one to the list: dirt. The cleaning market in Europe is still highly fragmented, without any standardization and quality of service. It is almost impossible to find a reliable and trustworthy solution on the market. Beeping is an online booking platform that matches customers with a background-checked, skilled, equipped, trained professional cleaner. All cleaners are also insured in case of some damages. Beeping offers subscription cleanings as well as one-off cleanings. The team and company is on the path to become a household cleaning leader in the emerging markets of CEE region and Euro-Asia. With Beeping, you only need 1 minute for a clean home. Beeping already gained more than 16,000 registered users in 2 countries, and more than 100 cleaners are working through the platform. The team also managed to impress 2 big corporations for partnership: General Insurance Group and Henkel Group from Germany. With Beeping, everyone can create more time for the pleasant things in life.